up, turn up.
Oh man, we gotta turn it all the way up. I'm ready for that lunch room though.
There's a big ball head in the way.
That's what I'm ready for. I forgot that was here.
Yeah.
I saw the sign like, oh shoot. Oh, mine's James. Look at that.
She sit right next to me. Sorry.
Yeah, James.
Yeah.
We about to get drenched up here.
We're legit covered. I'm like,
We're covered. Oh yeah, for sure.
It almost seems like it's a waste of time.
Oh, shucks. Oh, quick. I think I might have to load the tank. Oh, this thing switches?
You didn't know that?
I didn't. This is my first time ever coming here.
This is
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Dewey been all over the world. Close enough. Oh, man. They gonna send us down backwards? They really gonna send us down backwards? Wow. I wasn't ready for that. Let me grab my hat a little tighter. Wow. Hold up.
check out this.
What if we went down this thing backwards? You know, like,
Nah. That would be crazy.
It really would.
Uh-oh. There we go.
Trying to be nice about this one.
This is your time. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no.
Here we go. This is
We're gonna
quite
go.
the drop, ladies and gentlemen.
Get ready for it.
Ready?
Ready.
It's a good drop, actually.
Nice little ride.
It's like so far right here.
It's not little at all.
Solids. Oh, man.
Oh, this is a great
It's hot enough to get wet anyway. Let's go! I got dripped. Yo, that was fun.
Thank you very much.
Woo.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. All right. That was fun. We are swimming in deep water. Oh man, that was fun.